Happy Halloween! So welcome to the Coffee Mug tutorials. Today we're going to talk about Microsoft and what they're going to do with the new version of NAV. So in order to deal with that, I've recruited Reagan from The Exorcist, one of my favorite movies. And she's going to help me decipher what is new in Tenerife or NAV 2018. Is it going to the cloud? Is it going to be on-prem? What's going to happen with it? Who knows? So Reagan, what is your feeling on Tenerife or NAV 2018 or Microsoft in general?
My bed was shaking. I can't get to sleep.
Hello and welcome to the Coffee Mug tutorials. It is Halloween, so I hope you're having fun. I got my costume, of course, and the coffee mug ready. But before we go trick-or-treating tonight, we got to go over something that Microsoft has put in front of us. Of course, NAV is evolving. It's a Microsoft product, has a lot of firepower behind it. We're changing things around, making them more modern, and Microsoft is definitely making us work towards learning new things and seeing the future with them. So basically, I have put up here a chart of where things are going. This has been floating on the internet, and you can go on blog posts by Waldo, Gunnar, Mark Brummel, other guys who are doing a great job at actually keeping up with things as they're changing. So what is Tenerife and what is NAV, or how does it play together? Obviously, you know what NAV is. You wouldn't be on this video if you didn't know that. But Tenerife is some other product, right? Well, yes and no. Tenerife is actually in the cloud. It's the cloud version of NAV, and it's being developed simultaneously with NAV, as almost like copying or mirroring NAV in the cloud. And ultimately, as we see on this graph, these two products will merge. Now, the question was, of course, what is going to happen? Are we only going to have the cloud, or is there going to be no on-prem, or how is that going to go? And Microsoft has kind of been working agile on this, seeing kind of what is feasible. And right now, the decision is that we will have the end product of NAV and Dynamics 365 merged, both available on-prem and in the cloud. And until then, we will have a release of NAV 2018, which is going to come out in December. And we'll have another release in spring. And then ultimately, we'll move towards the Tenerife in the cloud version. So you can, if you don't have NAV today and you're considering NAV, you can actually take a look at the cloud version, which is Dynamics 365, or you can look at the on-prem version, which is NAV. And ultimately, those will be the same product. And what I'll do as far as the coffee mugs go, I will be looking at the new features coming out in December. Very excited to see that. I actually just want to start demoing them in the coffee mug one by one. And I might actually start adding in the 365 product to just take a look at that and see how that compares to NAV on-prem. And we see actually how the progress will go. So you'll probably see more of those videos coming out. So, I mean, if you're going to go on-prem, just jumping on NAV 2018 now that it comes out in December is the way to go, I would say. If you're really thinking hard about the cloud and you want to be in the cloud, take a look at Dynamics 365. One of the kind of niche things that's floating out is, or interesting concept, is that there will not be any NAV. There will just be Dynamics 365, and it's going to be a lot of features and functionalities all tied into the Azure, and the whole package from Microsoft kind of coming together on a common data framework. So of course, that will be an absolute paradise for the IT manager and the ERP consultant and the consumer using the product. So we're very excited. Looking forward to all the progression and staying tuned. And I hope you stay tuned to see what's coming up. and thanks for watching.